Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harmony. If you guys are new here, welcome. So today I wanted to film a video using the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. My last video I did a more neutral eye, and I asked on my Instagram if you guys wanted to see neutral or colorful, and I got about 50-50 of each. So I decided to film a colorful look today. Usually when I'm doing eye looks that are a little bit more intricate, I do one eye first off camera and then I do the other one on camera just so I can see exactly how I want it. My vision for the look before was more green and less pink. I wanted to use more of these colors, and like I tried the yellow and I didn't, and I hated it. It just came out bad. Like the colors were not blending well together. So then I took it all off and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try something different. And so I came up with this look, and I actually really like it. So I first used Cake Face, which is the white color, which I actually really do like. I use that to set my whole eye, and I used most of the white on the inner corner of my eye to brighten up the inner corner. Then I used KK as the transition color, the pink, and then I used Snatched on the outer corner to deepen up the pink a little bit, which I actually really like this color a lot. And I used Shady, which is a really good black, and I really actually like this black a lot. And then for the lid part, like the blue, I used Kiki, which is right here. And I don't know why I thought that said kiwi. Oops. And to be honest, 100% honest with you guys, this color did not show up how I would have liked it to. It was not very pigmented. I had to pack it on a bunch of times. Every time I would blend, it would like go away, and it was just not that good. Same with this blue one, Fishy. I used a little bit of it, but like I said, it just wasn't blending how I like it to. This purple color, Pageant Queen, I used that in the eye that I did before, the one that I took off, and the colors were not blending together. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was like the way I was using them, the brushes I was using, so I was just not feeling it. And like I said, I did this eye, and then I used Beat, which is this like pink shimmery color right here. I used that in the inner corners on top of the white color that I did. And I also used Thickening just to blend out the brow bone. I really like how it came out. I like this palette, but there's a few colors in it that I'm not a fan of. So I'm not a fan of Trade. I don't like this color, Trade. And I'm not the biggest fan of this color, Kiki and Fishy. I haven't really used the yellow enough to say if I like it or not, just because I haven't used it. The purple one is really pigmented. I feel like this would be a pretty color to use. I didn't use it today on my eyes. So far, the only ones I don't like are Trade, Fishy, and Kiki. So that's my opinion. The rest of the colors are bomb and I like it, but I'm just being honest with you guys. If you guys do buy this palette, you guys know what's up and you guys know what you're getting. And yeah, so if you guys want to see this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm taking the Life's a Drag palette, and I'm taking the first color, the white color, and I am applying this all over my lid and just using this kind of to set the concealer, and then I'm putting some tape to get that sharp wing-like effect. And then I'm taking the pink shade, and I am just going to be using this as my transition color and blending this into my crease and focusing it on the outer corner of my eye, and then moving lighter into the inner part. And then I am taking the red color and I am putting that on the outer corner of my lid, and I'm just rubbing this in and then kind of fading it out the closer I get to the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm taking the black color, and I am focusing this on the outer part by the tape so that it kind of gives a wing-like effect. And then I'm just going back in with a little bit of the red and just blending that, and then making sure it's even on both sides. And then I'm taking a cleaner, fresh, fluffy brush and just applying that. And then I'm taking Kiki and I'm applying this with an Anastasia brush, and I'm packing this on. And like I was telling you guys, I felt like when I was packing it on, it was just kind of disappearing. So I had to go back and pack it on and go back and pack it on, and I had to do that a lot of times. And then I'm taking the blue color and I'm applying that kind of in between the red color and the turquoise color. And then I'm just going to keep going back and forth between the two brushes and making sure it's all blended together. And as you can see, it's a lot of blending. Then I am going back into the white shade and I'm applying this to the inner part of my eye. And I didn't like cut my crease or anything this time. I wanted it to be a more blended look instead of a sharp look. And then I'm taking the pinky highlighter color, and I'm applying this with my finger and just blending it in. And then I'm going into the transition color in the palette and I'm just blending everything out. Okay, I just did my eyes and I don't know. What do you guys think? 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 This is way outside of my comfort zone. I'm gonna do my face and I'm gonna do a voiceover for this video because it's easier for me to explain. So, and there's a dog that's barking outside of my house and I don't want you guys to hear that, so I'm gonna do a voiceover. I'll do my face right now. So I'm taking my chapstick and I am applying this, and then I'm taking the Baby Skin foundation primer and applying this all over, and I'm mixing L'Oreal True Match. I'm not even sure what colors I mixed. I just mixed a lighter one with a darker one and just applied that all over my face. And then I am blending this in. I believe this is with the e.l.f. face brush. So I'm just applying this. Then I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and this one is in the shade Neutral Creamy Beige. And I'm applying this to highlight and conceal my dark circles. And I'm also going to be contouring with the darker shade of this concealer. And I'm taking a e.l.f. stipple brush and just blending this all together. And then I'm taking my Eco Tools sponge and just blending in my concealer. And then I am blending in my contour. And highlighting my nose with the concealer. Excuse me, I'm trying to film my voiceover. Then I am baking with the Nye Banana Powder, and this is my current obsession. Setting everywhere that I applied concealer. And I apply it underneath my contour to bake underneath it so it's a nice and defined contour to get that snatched effect. Then I am taking this eyeliner but from Anastasia, and I am just applying this to my waterline, and then I'm taking the black color and buffing that out. And then I'm taking the red color and I'm buffing that out. And then taking some more of the white color, I'm applying this to the inner corners just to brighten them up more. And then going back into that pink shade, and I'm just applying it over the white. And then I'm just dusting off all of the powder. And then I'm going going into this LA Colors contour kit, and I'm just going to set the dark concealer. I'm taking MAC Gingerly Blush and applying this to my cheekbones and blending it back. And to set my face, I took this little cheek setting spray, and then I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Hustle Baby. I'm just applying this to my brow bone. And then for my lipstick, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Suede lipstick in Sandstorm, and then I'm using the Jouer lip topper in Skinny Dip. I'm just going to apply some earrings and take my clips out and apply some mascara to the lower lash line, brush my hair out, and that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so that completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you guys have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below and I will be sure to do them. I really like how this look came out. I think it looks pretty. Looks a little drag queeny, but I mean, life's a drag, right? I like this palette. I would say if you are a makeup lover like me, then get it. If you're not like super into eyeshadows and stuff, I would say pass, just because the colors are a little bit harder to work with, not gonna lie. So that's just my opinion compared to like Anastasia shadows, which are pretty much the majority of the shadows I use, and Morphe. Like, I don't know, it wasn't blending how I normally like. The colors are super pigmented and super like powdery, so there is a little bit of fallout on these colors, but overall I think that it's a good palette and I would recommend you to buy it. If, like I said, if you don't have anything like this maybe in your collection that have, you know, a row of neutrals, a row of colors, like if you don't have anything like this, then I would say go for it. But if you already have colors like this, and if you don't wear colors like this, then I would say pass, because I know that majority of people don't walk around with yellow or pink eyeshadow. I would say just skip it if you are not super into bright colors, because you could just spend your money on an all neutrals palette if that's the thing that you like. So yeah, if you like makeup and you are adventurous with your makeup, then I would say grab this palette, but if not, I would say pass. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.